Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review videos. At episode 18 today, we're talking about picnics. So let's get started. In this topic, you'll most likely be asked, do you like picnics? You could say simply, I enjoy picnics because they let me relax outdoors. But you could also say, I have a fondness of picnics as they offer a chance to unwind in a natural setting and enjoy food. How often do you go on picnics? Is another question you could be asked. I don't go on picnics very often, maybe a couple of times a year. Or, my picnics are somewhat infrequent, occurring around 2 to 3 times annually. When was the last time you went on a picnic? I went on a picnic last summer with my family. Or, my most recent picnic was during the summer season, and I shared these with my family. In this question, you could go even further, and you could explain the events that happened on that picnic. Perhaps your father or mother told a funny story. Perhaps your brother or sister spilled water over them, and it was very funny. So, not many questions today. Next up, we're going to go through the reading passage. As always, read along with me. Pause if you have to, research when you need to. I shall be looking slightly off camera as I can't memorize the entire story by myself. Different cultures around the world have their own unique picnic traditions. In some countries, such as Japan, the practice of hanami involves having picnics under cherry blossoms during springtime. In Western culture, picnics are often associated with sunny days, lush parks, and classic picnic baskets filled with sandwiches, fruits, and refreshments. Being surrounded by nature has proven to reduce stress and boost mental well-being, making picnics an ideal escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Picnics offer a range of benefits beyond just a pleasant meal outdoors. They encourage people to step away from screens and engage in physical activities like hiking, frisbee, or playing cards. One of the most appealing aspects of picnics is their social nature. Friends and family gather together to share not only food, but also laughter, stories, and quality time. The relaxed atmosphere of picnics fosters open conversations and strengthens relationships, making them an excellent opportunity for bonding. While traditional picnics continue to be popular, modern times have introduced new trends in outdoor dining. Some people opt for gourmet picnics with artisanal cheeses and fine wines, while others embrace the convenience of to-go picnics with pre-packaged meals. Regardless of the style, the essence of picnicking remains the same, a chance to savor life's simple pleasures in the great green outdoors. Whether it's casual afternoon in the park or a grand celebration, picnics continue to be cherished activity that transcends cultures and generations. Picnics offer a delightful blend of relaxation, nature appreciation, and social interaction. They serve as a reminder to slow down, appreciate the beauty of the surroundings, and cherish the moments spent with friends and family. Right, I hope you found that informative. Next up, we have a range of vocabulary and expressions I hope you incorporate into your everyday life. Scenic, al fresco, bask, serene, recreation. Gather, tranquil, respite, relaxation, amidst. Nature's bounty, laid back, communal, open air, favor. Idyllic, unplug, reconnect, rustic, linger. Take in the scenery, escape the daily grind, embrace the outdoors, enjoy quality time. Share a meal, relish the moment, immerse oneself in nature, create lasting memories. Breathe in the fresh air, indulge in leisure, soak up the sunshine, set the scene, lose track of time. That's all your expressions for this episode. Next up, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Questions, statements, and descriptions. Do you like picnics? Instead, you could say, are you fond of outdoor gatherings for meals? How often do you go on picnics? How frequently do you engage in picnic outings? When was the last time you went on a picnic? When did you most recently enjoy a picnic experience? Picnics allow me to escape from the usual routine and relax. Picnics provide me with the chance to break away from everyday schedule and unwind. The serene ambiance of a picnic spot is truly delightful. The tranquil atmosphere at a picnic location is generally charming. I enjoy spending quality time outdoors, surrounded by nature. I relish engaging in a meaningful outdoor experience enveloped by the natural environment. And then the last one, descriptions. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.